What's up, YouTube? Twin Souls TV coming at you with another sneaker video. So this video will be brought to you by our people over at Factory Lace, who gave us this all-in-one premium cleaning kit. Have you ever been at a cookout? You bite into a hot dog and a big glob of ketchup all on your sneakers? Or maybe you're at the club, you're getting your groove on, and somebody stepped on your sneakers.
Oh, hell
What if
no!
I tell you about the solution to all of this before it even happens? Here we got the Factory Lace water and stain repellent that kills all those problems before they even get started. So all those problems are solved in 3 simple steps. First, use the Factory Lace cleaning kit to make sure your shoes are clean and dry. 2, apply the Factory Lace water and stain repellent in sweeping motions to your shoes. And 3, allow your shoes to dry. Use a hair dryer on the cool setting for fast results. And now we test. Alright guys, so the water didn't stand a chance against the water and stain repellent. Bring out the soda. So we're gonna go with something a little bit harder. So once again, we'd like to say thanks to our people over at Factory Lace for the dope water and stain repellent. We tested against water, we tested against soda, basically all the elements you can run into, and it held strong. So once again, thank you to our people over at Factory Lace. Twin Souls out.